Are you tired of struggling to make money online? Do you want an easy and simple method to earn $50, $400 a day? Well, look no further than effortless affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is the process of promoting other people's products and earning a commission for each sale you make. And with the right strategy, you can earn a substantial income without putting in a lot of effort. So, what's the ultimate blueprint for success in affiliate marketing? First, find a niche that you're passionate about and do your research to find popular and profitable products in that niche. Create a website or blog to promote those products and start producing high-quality content that promotes those products in a subtle way. Next, use social media to drive traffic to your website. Build a following on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, or whatever platform suits your niche. And finally, master the art of email marketing. Build a list of subscribers who are interested in your niche and send them regular emails promoting your products. With the right strategy, affiliate marketing can be a lucrative and effortless way to earn a steady income online. So, what are you waiting for? Give it a try and start earning $50, $400 a day. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips on making money online.